What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally Friday, the very best day of the week, because today is Snap On Friday. Hamilton's out here, so let's go take a look and see what he's got. Y'all see what Wally normally does all day?
Supervise.
Sits and watches Bill work.
Yep.
He could at least wipe the sweat off your brow, couldn't he, Bill?
That's right. I don't like him that much.
Ooh, we got new hats. Man, look at them. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start my pile. New lights. A little mini floodlight. Oh, it is bright, ain't it? You see that, Bill? Oh, it's pretty cool.
I've got the wing rolls and the half inch also. Metric and standard. You can have your shorts, your semis, and your deeps instead of just 2 rows.
Right. Those are nice. I had to put me one of them hats over there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Father's Day.
Father's Day gift guide. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what's in here this time. Ooh, look at them plier organizers. Did you ever get any of them plier racks in?
The metal ones?
Yeah.
I got 2 that'll be here, I think, Monday or Tuesday.
Good. I need one.
I sent one to the side for you.
That roll cart is full.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that's some goodies in this one. Goodies. We like the new stuff, Hamilton. You know, I got one of them. That thing is worth its weight in gold right there.
For being a little bitty thing, it's pretty stout.
Sure is. Sure is.
I've got the new light, but
Got a new light.
CTLSH861.
That's nice.
Quite a bit. Flashlight, I think. That's a little hook.
That's what I like, where you can hang it, where it'll hang straight down.
Yep. Because your hook don't hardly show up at all on there.
Heck yeah. The battery life probably be better than them, on them than those other ones, won't they?
Yeah, I mean, because these are all LED right here.
We use the snot. A lot of people don't like them other ones that look like a fluorescent bulb.
Yeah.
Man, we use the shit out of them.
Battery colors. Light ain't it? Light.
We use the snot out of them jokers. Look at all the stuff back here. Got all kind of games. All kind of goodies. What you got here? Grease joint rejuvenator.
They've got out of my probably up with dirty or something. Take
Yeah.
that, fill it up with like red oil, or put it on there, hit it with a hammer to force it through.
Oh, all right, right there.
Yeah, that's good, especially good on the farm and stuff. Used on the tractors and everything, or your 4-wheelers.
You got one of them sockets in here?
5/8.
Yep, right there, I bet it is.
How fast you need it?
Oh, I ain't gonna have it today.
Alright, I have it next week.
Alright.
It's an 8-point double square, right?
Yeah, double square. So Thomas is getting his wisdom teeth cut out, huh?
Yeah, all 4 of them. Then we'll get all 4 of them done.
I done been there and done that too.
He's starting at 12, so he's, probably got one of them out, but now 12, 20.
He ain't feeling no pain right now. It'll be the night when it gets him.
Yeah.
Sure enough.
He don't know where he is probably till Sunday, I imagine.
No.
I watched our video from last week the other night, and I noticed we gave old Thomas a pretty hard time about them girly jeans he was wearing. But we didn't give Wally any bull crap last week. I guess Thomas couldn't handle it, and that's why he's not here today.
So
Thomas, I do apologize if we hurt your feelings.
so you think he scheduled his wisdom tooth on Friday
Hey,
on
it might be a
purpose?
coincidence. I'm going to have to ask him about that and say now.
Hey, Jay Young has lost one of, the little mini screwdrivers, the 4 set. It's got 4 of them in it. He lost the wide blade mini screwdriver. You got one there?
Flathead. I would check it. I get him one. What color is he?
Red.
Red. All right. That cycle's 45.
Okay. Yeah, let's get it. What does this light run right here? I like the way you can hang it like that.
It balances out pretty good.
You put a battery magnet on that joker.
Yeah.
Should be just right.
No, everywhere it is, but I'm going to put it straight out.
Probably will, because them battery magnets is light. We're finna find out, ain't we?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
I wonder if it'll still hold it. The hook will still hold it like it's supposed to. Oh, shoot, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It added some weight to it, but I think it'll still work.
Yeah, back magnets ain't that heavy.
It looks like a grenade link.
That's a nice light right there.
I like to make that flashlight on the end of it still. So you can use it like a regular flashlight if you need to.
Yeah, that right there is nice.
You gotta use something like that.
Real nice.
Pull it out. It's a check valve.
Yeah, that one that looks like a fluorescent light.
Yeah.
Man, we use this. A lot of people don't like them, but every one of us, that's what we use
I
all
seen
the
a
time.
couple of them where they left them up under the hood or something. They come back melted and be bent. And they get the button and it still kick on.
Yeah. You got the new Apollo, huh?
Yeah.
Man, yeah.
You got the new Triton out there, which I ain't got the Triton yet.
What's it?
It's like the Modus, where you got the Apollo and the Modus. There's the Modus with the smart diagnostics. Then that way you got your 2-channel lab scope and all that stuff. That has all your smart diagnostics like the Apollo has too.
Yeah, it's a big ass grill.
That's cool. I need to get one of those
Kind of like that.
right there.
Any of the doors?
Yep. Yeah, y'all. Let me put that up here with my hat. What you done found back there, Wally?
I don't know yet. Still looking.
Still looking. Looking. How about you, Bill?
There's some roll-out pads.
Roll off pads. You finna scrub something up, ain't you?
BT358.
Yeah, I got a little project in the works.
How much is this? BT358.
Sure, those little ones. I like those. I didn't think I'd like that plastic type as well. You know, because I always had those other metal ones.
Yeah. 1720.
I do like them though. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the magnetic extension, the little baby hose pinch offs, and a new cap. Wild Bill's done got him a load of stuff.
The captain's roll off bad.
Wally's roll locking too.
Yep.
Alright guys, like always, thanks for watching this video. Like always, if you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because why, Bill?
Totally free.
Totally free. You guys have a great one, and we will catch y'all next time. I tell you what's funny is me and Bill both got us a new Snap-on hat. Wally's wearing a Matco hat.
On a Snap-on truck.
Brand new Matco hat with a Snap-on shirt on.
Yeah, all right.